Welcome back to another video. I can barely speak right now at a low tone. I try to raise my voice a little bit higher. I start squeaking and shit. But I thank you guys for checking up on me. I know I've been slacking when it comes to the content, but we are working. My workouts are still getting done. I'm still getting better when it comes to my trading. Just to give you guys a quick little rundown on what happened. So after, I want to say, my latest video was uploaded on Tuesday. Wednesday night, my son ended up having a fever. So I ended up taking my son to the doctor, getting him checked out, getting him some medication, taking care of him throughout the day. By Thursday morning, I end up waking up with a fever and a cold, and my son goes from a fever into having a cold. So we end up having a cold from, I want to say, Thursday to Sunday. And then when Monday came around, I started having a cough and I was wheezing. And keep in mind, I have no insurance. My son has insurance, but I don't have insurance. So I'm over here getting over-the-counter medication and shit. And bro, these have been my best friends, right? I really just want to get to the point, right? Long story short, we've been sick. My son can't speak, bro. My son is getting better now when it comes to his voice, but he be getting, what the fuck? He be getting aggravated because he can't scream or he can't speak, and it's funny, but my boy's getting better now. For me, it was a slower process. Literally, I'm only taking these and NyQuil and DayQuil and all that shit, but it's not really doing it for me. It's been a slow process, but my voice is slowly coming back. I've been posting TikToks and Reels, but mainly it's because it's videos I had saved in my camera roll, but I couldn't speak, bro. And y'all can still hear it. Right now it's Saturday, it's May 10, right? And I'm barely getting my voice back, and it's been rough. But I haven't been posting trading videos or anything for the same reason, because I can't speak. But at the same time, I am currently demo trading. Since the last video, I lost my live account, and I just been very smart with my money. Bills are tight. No job has called me back yet. I know I've been keeping you guys posted with that. Still no jobs have been calling me back. I've had potential interviews, but still I'm not getting no calls back. Just being very smart with my money, just paying bills, gas and all that stuff. And yeah, I mean, I am switching prop firms. I'm not using Top Step for the meantime because I had a lot of issues with the charts. One of my boys in the community, shout out Tony, he passed, I think it was 3 evals, and Top Step didn't let him activate his accounts. So it's not just me having issues with Top Step, as many people in the community as well having issues with Top Step and the charts that are just freezing up. My live account, I ended up taking out all those funds because like I told you guys, I'm just right now focused on paying my bills and getting through this tough time, because there's no jobs hiring around me, nothing at all. And I'm just searching for jobs, going in person, Indeed. I mean, it's cool, Indeed, I can apply at jobs, but going in person will up the chances, I say, right? The Spark driver thing, for some reason they keep asking me to re-upload my ID, and my ID's up to date and everything. I don't know what's wrong with the ID. They just don't want to I don't know. I think it was because that first delivery I fucked up. The water opened up. It was chaos. But Spark driver, no longer, I can't no longer do that. DoorDash and all those delivery services are saturated where I stay, and there's no jobs, man. But that's why I just been demo trading. In the meantime, I'm looking forward to opening an account with my funded futures, and we'll go from there, right? But it's just been a crazy week for me. I'm still getting better from this, I want to say, cold. I don't really know how we got sick, bro. Like, really being realistic, like, I don't really know how we got sick, but it is what it is. Like, it's bad, bro. But yeah, I really wanted to come up here and make a video for you guys. I don't want to be lacking or anything. I don't want you guys thinking that, oh, he gave up because his account. Nah, bro. I don't really give a fuck if I lose. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna be transparent with you guys, but I can't fucking speak, so how am I gonna make a video? You know, like, I don't know sign language, right? Like, how the fuck am I gonna make a video for you guys if I can't speak? But for those of you who were worried, for those of you who were hitting me up, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Once I get better 100%, like, my voice right now is just, it's killing me. My throat, like, this shit is killing me, right? But once I get back on track, once I buy my new account, we'll be going crazy. I'm studying, I'm back testing, I'm doing the most that I can right now, and I'm seeing a lot of progress. But I don't want to bore you guys with demo trades. Like I told the people in the community, like, I don't really want to bore you guys with my demo trades. And we're gonna be back on track with hosting the calls. I might switch the format of the videos, because like I said, I am looking for jobs. So my main focus now is, like, yeah, I'm going to the gym and all that stuff, but like, once I'm done trading, like, I'm out and about just looking for a job, right? But yeah, with that being said, boys, I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in. I thank you guys for your support, and thank you guys for bearing with me. We're going to take over the summer. It's going to be crazy. I know that my life is about to change. I know that God is just preparing me for what's to come, and it's only up from here. The only person that can stop you from achieving your goals is yourself. Once discipline is out the picture, do not let emotions fill in that void. Stay focused. Do not lose focus, because once you lose focus, that's when you deteriorate the progress that you have made. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys.